Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Yes, Sete.
Thank you po.
How are you today?
I'm very nervous today because I'm applying for this job.
Tell me about yourself.
My name is Charles Igo and I have a lot of experience. So I will apply for this job and I am graduated at Libertad Kindergarten Center at elementary and I graduated at Bugumbayan National High School, my junior high and senior high. And I have a lot of skill.
What are your goals?
My goals is to enhance my skills and to improve my skills and to para para maging ano ang kumpanya natin na improve at maging improve at maging maangat pa sa iba't ibang kumpanya.
What are your strengths?
My strength is my skills because I have a lot of skills and I have a lot of experience for many job and I have a I have a knowledge for many things.
Why should we hire you?
You should hire me because I am dedicated and hardworking employee. You should hire me, and uh, I have a lot of skills, and you should hire me because a I am masunurin at sunurin.
I will call you when you're hired from this job.
Thank you po, ma'am.
Welcome.